Hey everybody, how's it going? Thanks for watching Manny Scale Modeling. Just doing a quick update on the Demon, 71 Demon, and the engine for the bike. Got the valve cover on finally. Just got to do the plug boots there. Looking pretty good. I saw Mike's at Scale Model Outlaw. He's got his motor in the frame and frame's all painted, and my frame's still in primer. So I gotta get busted on this bike. I cut the trans tunnel, or the drive shaft tunnel out there. Put some plastic in there, a little bit of filler right there. There was a hole there after I cut it out. Seems to look pretty good, and enough clearance for the drive shaft. I'll just scratch build the drive shaft. But this is going to have the Demon engine in it by Texas 3D Scale Customs. A little decal in there. There we go. Bumper sticker and a decal. So here it's in primer. I just got that tacked on there with some white tacky glue or something. But I got to get this to fit in there. It's going to fall apart. There it goes. Yeah, it fell apart. This thing here, that thing, I'm not sure if that's a fuel pump or what is that. It's got two little things on there. I don't know. You guys know what that is? I can look it up, but I figured you could comment on it. I got to get that so it fits in there right, because whatever this is, it was in the way for the engine to sit in here and the tranny to sit right. So I might have to notch out the frame a little, but that's all right. Got most all the engine stuff in primer. The only thing I'm worried about, I kind of did a test fit with the pan on, was kind of holding it all together under the thing and tried to put the hood on, and it was probably about that far up or something, but maybe it's because I didn't have it in all the way. I don't know. My fingers were in the way for the oil pan, but that's pretty much it, guys. Just a quick video, and after this one I got to do another video for a buddy build, and that should be it. But I probably won't have that one out till sometime tomorrow. So just a quick update on the Duster, or Demon. Oh, the Ken block wheels I'm using on it, I printed them out. They should be pretty cool looking on there, I think. Just like in the thumbnail. And sit like that. And I'm hoping I can get the front one to kind of tuck up in there, at least like that, you know. Get it tucked up in there some. I think it'd look pretty cool. But, alright guys, that's it. Thanks for watching, and be back again soon.